A chatbot is an application that uses artificial intelligence to mimic a human conversation. Typically, the conversation is via text, but it could also be via voice. You may have experienced a chatbot when you went to the customer service website of some company to try to figure out why your computer or some other product is not working right. One of the most famous chatbots is ChatGPT, a large language model chatbot based on artificial intelligence. And if you go to ChatGPT down at the bottom of the screen, it will give you sample prompts such as make up a story about Sharky, a toothbrushing shark superhero. So if you select that and press enter, ChatGPT will make up a 5-sentence story about Sharky, a tooth-brushing shark superhero. You can also customize your prompts. For example, list the 10 highest mountains in the world and give their heights in meters and feet. Press enter, and ChatGPT will quickly list the 10 highest mountains in the world and their heights in meters and feet. At the top of the screen for ChatGPT, you'll see you have a choice of two versions, 3.5 or 4.0. 3.5 is the free version. 4.0 is $20 a month. Supposedly, the 4.0 version is faster and smarter than the 3.5 version, but we'll be sticking with the free 3.5 version. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use ChatGPT and an automation tool called Zapier.com to create targeted, customized instructional bots for your students. Here's a simple example, and this is just a little website you create. This is a verb tense bot. It says, let's learn about verb tenses, and the prompt is type an action verb, and I'll list that verb's three main tenses, present, past, and past participle. So you click in that box and you type a verb and press enter. And the bot will give you the present, past, and past participle of that verb. Here's a little more complicated one, pronoun antecedent bot. Make sure your pronouns agree with your antecedents. And the prompt is copy and paste one of the sentences your teacher gave you here. Determine if the pronoun agrees with the antecedent, then press enter to check your answer. So your students would have a list of sentences. They could select a sentence and copy it, and then go back to the bot and paste the sentence. And then they would read the sentence and determine if the pronoun agreed with the antecedent, and then they could press enter. And then the bot would tell them if the pronoun antecedent agreement was correct or incorrect. If it was incorrect, the bot would tell the student why it's incorrect, and then it would give the correct pronoun antecedent agreement.